Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to continue my tag series, decorating the tags I prepared when I used Dina Wakley sprays, acrylic sprays, and you will find that video down below at the description area if you want to see how I did these backgrounds, and also up in the cards. This background I did by using black gesso at the back, and I sprayed all the colors, and I think it turned out very beautiful. So I'm not going to do a lot of things on top because I want the background to be the star. So I picked these butterfly stickers that I had in my stash forever, and these little frames from Prima. Decorating these tags, I just want to use as much as possible from my stash, the things I haven't used. And I decided to do a little bit stenciling with this script stamp from Crafter's Workshop. This is a very old stencil, but a favorite for sure. And I think it's still available, so you can find it everywhere in all craft stores. And I'm just using my modeling paste to do the stenciling in the empty areas. This way I don't block the beautiful colors at the back. And my butterflies clearly need to be glued as well, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to draw a little white border with my gel pen all around, just to give a little bit definition and have some sketching. I'm not going to do a sentiment because I think the background is so beautiful. I don't want to block anything. I just use this thin white ribbon over my tag, and I think I call this finished. I think if there's a star in your project, in this case the background colors, you should try to enhance it and not to block it, so that's what I tried to do here. And this is the second tag that I did with these beautiful colors, and I stenciled with white paint these little circles. I'm using a 3D gloss gel because I'm going to mix it with silver paint. If I use normal modeling paste, it will lose its shine, the metallic feature. So I'm using a 3D gloss gel. And I'm using a stencil that I created with my digital cutter. These are dragonflies, but it doesn't matter. I just picked one out of my stash again, and I wanted to use it. So I'm just going over. I thought silver goes well with this color combination. Again, there's a Bo Bunny 3D sticker set that I bought years and years ago. Here's my opportunity to use it because the colors go with it very well. There are silvers and all these turquoise and yellow colors. And I stick it at the middle because it's big and quite prominent. I'm using two ribbons, silver and this yellow, canary yellow. I'm taking these Tim Holtz word blocks, and I'm going to use this 3D foam tape to give some dimension to it and raise it. So I'm just sticking one at the top, make a wish, because I want the focal point at the center as well as the sentiment, and follow your heart. I love the fact that we can give as much dimension as we want because it's not a notebook that will create a bulk. Finally, I'm going to do some silver splashes, and I will call this tag done as well. This video was very short. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed my decorating the tags that I prepared before. Don't forget to subscribe, like or comment if you like my videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that you can see sneak peeks for my new projects. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and hope to see you next time.